Oh God.
Good morning. Good morning.
This is exactly how you wanted your morning to start. Morning Hattie, morning Lucy. This is how it works, Jane. Hi Jane. Please make sure you can see me. Very, very simple bit of housekeeping to start with. So, obviously, I hope by now you all know your own teams. Because if you don't, then we're all screwed. So, basically what we've done to make life really, really, really simple, like stupid proof. For Lisa. Oh, wow, you picked out Lisa instead of Lorraine. You're brave. Oh.
Robbie and Lorraine proof, is it?
I had to tell Catherine not to do the games because I don't get that on camera. Right, so what I've done is I've put you all, or we have put you all in your teams A all the way down to J, okay? So that's basically where you're going to start. So you will start in that position, okay? And then on the other board, what we've done to make things really, really simple is you'll see on every single workout board there is a number in the top corner. So, okay. Could I take your clipboard, please? Yes. Okay, while we are at this station, we will quickly just run through the workouts. Very, very easy. Try to keep them as simple as we can and be as fair as we can for every single person involved. So, before, but it's a little bit safer in a competition to do it with the plate. So we park our feet, okay? And then your deadlifts. I'm sure you've all done this one before, but go feet really, really close together, tap the floor, stand up, pick up your shopping bags. Okay? Really, really simple. And again, you have your choices. Just go, I'll change it. Go, go, go! Go, 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 go! Go, go, go. Don't, just keep going. So only an easy change, don't worry. Change! Stop! That's alright. Sorry. Lorraine's doing it the opposite way. Nice, into the chest, good.
Keep going, keep going.
Don't take the hands off, James. Keep them on. Just hit the floor, yeah. Yeah. Graham's tired. Hattie, don't you dare do another round with those dumbbells. Into the chest, Laura.
More independent, GK. Alternate legs. Say that. There's a guy with chicken legs in here.
Will.
You're a weak, mate. He'll be up, ready? Go. 2, 1.
How are you confused? Finish your burpees and get on that bike. Eight seconds!
Put the camera on.
3, 2, 1! Rest yourself there!
Tomorrow the competition is see whether you are all winners.
Yeah. Fireworks.
We got Johnny and Jay.
Come on, Will.
We need to get in there as well.
You're a winner, baby.
I know. Get a bit close now. It's a
She set off the timer.
yeah.
Oh, bitch.
Wow.
Hey!
Where was I looking?
5, 6, 7, 8, smile! Omni Games! The winners.
That's what we do. That's what we do.
So I was getting Hattie out the shop.